Good morning, students. Welcome to day 2 class. Welcome to day 2 class. Already we discussed perimeter and area. It is a new lesson. Yesterday we will start this lesson, and also we discussed some problems on perimeter. Okay. Then already we discussed the meaning by perimeter and examples already solved. Okay. Then I will ask some questions. All of you open yesterday what I wrote. Already all of you read that one minute. I will give you 1 minute time. You should read that definitions and formula. I will ask question. Okay. Okay. Tell me what is perimeter? Who is telling what is perimeter? First of all, yes, perimeter. Yes, it is right. Perimeter means the given figure total length of the boundary. The total length of the boundary is called perimeter. For example, we start here and also end also here. For example, we start here to measurement and coming, it is total length of all sides is called perimeter. The sum of the all side is called perimeter. In this room, how many corners have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners are there. This corner to this corner, this corner to that corner I am coming here only. How much distance is there? That is we will call perimeter. It is very useful to your daily life also. ನಿಮ್ಮ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮೇಲಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿತ್ಯ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟ ನಿಮ್ದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿತ್ಯ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಉಪಯೋಗವಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳನ್ನ ಬಳಸಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ yesterday all of you know that one. Tell me the formula perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle formula. Perimeter of rectangle formula. Perimeter of rectangle formula is equal to, first of all, P is equal to 2 bracket L plus B bracket complete. It is the formula perimeter of rectangle. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, P means what? Already yesterday we discussed. P means perimeter. Okay, and 2 means it is length have 2, one length, 2 length, and breadth have 2, one breadth and 2 breadth. We should took that one commonly, 2 length plus 2 breadth. It is the shortest form 2 into L plus B. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥವೇನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ that should be represents multiplication. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ this type problems yesterday we solved that one. Okay, one minute. Okay, now we are going to study about this example. We are going to solve that one. What is the given problem? We should look here. It is one figure is there. Which figure look like this? Is look like a rectangle figure. Rectangle figure corners, one corner P, another corner Q, another one R, another one S. Okay. Then PQ length how much is there? 10 centimeter is there. How much is there? 10 centimeter. And QR also 8 cm is there. One thing is remember in your mind, rectangle figure means which the given figure opposite sides are equal length means that is also rectangle figure. Rectangle figure ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ PQ opposite side SR ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ 10 ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು 10 ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Two opposite sides are equal, that figure we should call rectangle figure. ಎರಡು ಫಿಗರ್ಗಳ opposite sides ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ rectangle figure ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Then QR opposite side is PS, it is also 8 cm. Okay, I already discussed two methods. One is the longest method, another one is the formula method. One is longest method, how to solve. First of all, you should write answer. How much sides you should write? PQ side. First one is PQ plus compulsory above the that name you should mark one line that represents PQ side. Okay. Then QR side plus RS side plus SP side. Okay. Then PQ, how much distance is there? P to Q 10 centimeter, 10 cm plus QR 8 cm plus RS also 10 cm plus SP equal to 8 cm. Okay. Then you should add it. The symbol, the addition symbol indicates you should add it. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 10, 28. 28 plus 8, 30. 30 plus 36 centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 36 centimeter. It is the final answer. Okay, in using the formula, first of all you should write formula. P is equal to 2 bracket L plus B, bracket complete. Okay, first of all you remember in your mind always that is the perimeter of rectangle formula. More than 3 formulas are there. Okay, remember this is the first formula, perimeter of rectangle formula. Okay, then length L equal to 10 cm and B equal to 8 cm. First of all you should write this type. Model step wise barita hogbeku. Then you should write P is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. You know that one. Then P you should write as it is because P is equal to perimeter, and 2 write as it is. 2 bracket L means 10 plus B means 8 is equal to P is equal to 2 as it is. Multiplication bracket length means multiplication, 10 plus 8 18. Then P is equal to 18 to the 36 centimeter. It is the perimeter. This much only answer. It is easier. This one easy. This is very easy. Using formula, then you have to solve the problem. Okay. First of all have to write in your fair book. Use fair book and you have to solve. First of all, this one draw in pencil, and this one you should write, and that one you should write. Okay. Write down fast. My dear students, look at this problem. It is very easy and also difficult problem. Idu as easy nu ide, as difficult nu ide. First of all, listen carefully. Now sariyagi idanna artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. First of all, you should understand that question. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು question ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು first understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ then you have to solve. What is given there and what is pending. ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ರೀಡ್ 3 or 10 times you should read. A rectangle garden measuring 12 meter long. Long means that is length. It is length. Long and 10 meter breadth. 10 meter breadth is to be fenced 4 times with barbed wire. Find the length of the barbed wire required. Nodri, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಇದೆ. Which type of garden? That is look like a rectangle garden. That rectangle garden measurement. The total long means length is 12 meter and breadth is 10 meter. Okay, they given meter. First of all, on ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು, ಒಂದು ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಇದೆ. ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we should protect that one because of some problems are there. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, we should build a compound. ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ we should take a ತಂತಿ, ನೀವು ತಂತಿ ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು, ಆ ತಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ವೈರ್ we should took wire and fenced that one 4 times. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು, ಕಂಬಗಳನ್ನು ಹುಡುದು ಈ ರೀತಿ 4 times ವೈರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಂತ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ. ಬಟ್ ವೈರ್, how much wire we want, how much meter wire we should want, ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ವೈರ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 4 ಸುತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದಾರ ಅವರು. 1 ಸುತ್ತು, 2 ಸುತ್ತು, 3 ಸುತ್ತು, 4 ಸುತ್ತು. 4 ಸುತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ಈ ಒಂದು ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತು ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೈರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಮ್ದು ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. ನಾವು ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, garden length is equal to 12 meter and garden breadth is equal to 10 meter. Okay, then formula, what is the formula? P is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. This was the formula. Then P as it is 2 bracket L means length, how much is it? 12 plus breadth is 10 bracket complete. P is equal to 2 multiplication 12 plus 10 how much? 22. Then P is equal to 22 to the 44 meter. Then we should write the garden total perimeter is equal to 44 meter. It is the garden perimeter. We want garden perimeter. Already we should find out that one. ನಮಗೆ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we want how much wire? 44 meter wire ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 44 meter wire is required. Then they want how many? 4 times means 4 round wire we want means how much wire is required? Step 2. First of all, the total perimeter of garden is 44 meter. Then total required wire fenced is 4 times. ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 44 ಮೀಟರ್ ವೈರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು? 4 times 176 meter. 176 meter. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 44 ಮೀಟರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 4 ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? 44 into 4 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 44 ದೊಳಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 176 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ವೈರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 176 ಮೀಟರ್ ವೈರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 176 ಮೀಟರ್ wire should require to fence the garden. Okay, any doubt means you should call or send WhatsApp through. I will explain you. Okay, this one write neatly in your Peru. It is very important. After school is starting, I will check all the problems. Okay, write down clearly. My dear students, in your exercise, page number 109, page number 109, exercise 9.1 is there. This type problems is there in Roman number second. Roman number second, this type problems is there. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures are there. Find the perimeter of following pictures. Find the perimeter of the following pictures. Okay, already there 5 problems are there. I wrote here 2 pictures. I will show you how to solve the problems, and remaining 3 you have to solve in your house. Okay, first of all they are given this type. One picture is there, 90 cm length and 70 cm breadth. Another one is there, 24 cm length and 60 cm breadth is there. Okay, then first of all find the perimeter of this figure. Okay, first of all ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಆನ್ಸರ್ length is equal to 90 cm and breadth is equal to 70 cm. Okay, first of all we should write this one. What is given there we should write as it is. That is the statement. And ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಹಂಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. That is we should call that is statements. Okay, then formula P is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. This is the formula. First of all we should write as it is the formula. Then we should write P is equal to 2 as it is. L means 90 plus B means 70. Okay, then P is equal to 2 multiplication. ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 2 multiplication 90 plus 70 160. Then P is equal to 2 zeros are 0, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 1 plus 1 2. Then we should write 160 multiplication 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 plus 320 centimeters. 320 centimeters. First of all, the perimeter is 320 centimeters. Okay. Any doubt in this one? No. Okay. Next one, same as it is here also given. First of all, we should write answer. Length, how much is there? 24 cm. Length, how much is there? 24 cm. Breadth is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay, 60 centimeter is there. And formula P is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. It is the formula. You should by heart. It is very important. I will told you P is equal to 2 bracket is cancelled, their multiplication symbol, and 60 plus 20 80, 80 plus 4 84, 84. Then you should multiply here 84 multiplication to 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 168. P is equal to 168 centimeter. cm is centimeter. Okay. This type problems is there. More problems in your textbook is there. 1 and 2 already. First two I already solved. Remaining 1 and 2 and 3 is there. You have to solve. First one, answer orally is there. What are two-dimensional figures called? Plane figures. Two-dimensional means one is length, another one is breadth. One is length, another one is breadth. Here only length and breadth is there. Okay. It is only one line. It is straight line means it is one-dimensional figure. 1D figure, one-dimensional figure. It has only length. But this figure has length and breadth. Two is there. But here one figure is there. It is length, breadth and height. It is three-dimensional figure. First of all, first answer is what are two-dimensional figures called? Plane figure. It should be look like a plane figure. Okay. Name the two-dimensional of the rectangle. Name the two-dimensional of the rectangle. One is length, another one is breadth. One is length, another one is breadth. How many pairs of opposite sides are there in rectangle? Two opposite sides are equal. Two opposite sides are equal. One is length opposite is length, breadth opposite is breadth. And fourth one, how are the opposite sides in a rectangle? It should be equal. How are the means? Opposite sides means that should be equal. In this one and this one equal, this one and this one. Opposite sides are always equal. How many times is the perimeter of rectangle to the sum of its length and breadth? 2 times length and 2 times breadth. It is the formula is there. 2L 2B means 2 times L and 2 times B breadth. It is 24 24 60 60. It should be, we should multiply 2 times. Understand? Okay. Okay, write down this one in your fair book and remaining problems you have to solve there only. Okay, write down. My dear students, in your exercise Roman number 4 is there, and also here some problems is there. Page number 110. The length of breadth and rectangles are given below. Find their perimeters. और ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಜಿ. 1 2 ಲೆಂತ್ and 3 breadth is there. Using formula that we have to solve. First of all, this one you should look at here. First of all, this one solve and I will explain you that one. A rectangular field has a length of 150 meter and breadth is 120 meter. Find the perimeter of the field. Field means ಹೊಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಖಾಲಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು field ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. That this type is there and this one length is 150 meter and breadth is 120 meter. This is the blueprint. It is blueprint. First of all, you should write field length is how much? 150 meter and field breadth is 120 meter. Okay. Then perimeter question mark. Perimeter is question mark. Then formula P is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. B is equal to 2 bracket L means 150 plus 120. P is equal to 2 multiplication 150 plus 20 how much? 70. 70 plus 100, 270. Then 270 multiplication 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 sevens are 40, 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. Then therefore perimeter is equal to 540 meter. The perimeter of health is 540 meter. 540 meter. Okay. This one write in your textbook. This is also your exercise problem. Total there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems are there. Already second one I solved. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Any doubt means you will write that question and send WhatsApp. So I will solve and send it. Okay. Write down this one. My dear students, in your textbook, this type problems is there. Okay, this type is there. I wrote here that one. This is Roman number third. This is Roman number third. And length also given 2 meter, breadth also 3 meter. Perimeter is question mark. How to find out? More than here 10 is there. Okay, 10 is there. I will show you once how to find out. What is the formula? First one. P is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ L 2 ಇದೆ, B 3 ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. P is equal to 2 bracket L means 2 plus 3 is equal to P is equal to 2 multiplication 3 plus 2 how much? 5. P is equal to 5 to the 10 centimeter. It is 10 cm. Completed? One completed. And second one, same. P is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. Okay. Then P is equal to 2 as it is bracket L 2 is a plus 4 is a. Then P is equal to 2 into 4 into 8. P is equal to 8 to the 16 cm. It is 16 cm. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? Any doubt means you should send WhatsApp. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇರ್ಗಳು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ 1 2